99 Ford Super Duty. What I'm guessing is a classic problem with these. Door handle, basically the latch isn't returning. The handles, door won't latch. You can close the lock here and close it from the inside and it'll latch. So what I saw online, and try to shorten things up here, if you look back in this hole, that is the actual, like, a follower of the latch itself. And if you can push it back aft, it'll close and latch. The handle's secure. Of course, it's going to stick again when I open it. So there you see it again. This one was almost completely seized up. I could barely pry it back, but now it's freed up a bit. And all I was trying was either silicone or lithium or anything probably. If you can get it pointed further down to the hinge point, spray it down, see if you can find the hinge point, and then just work it, maybe one finger in here, a screwdriver, pushing that aft, and then over, then aft. I was able to free up this other door. This one might take a little more work, but this was doing the same thing, and I was able to free that up, and actually working fairly well now. Anyways, Ford Super Duty door.